Ever feel like you got talented but recruiters just scroll past your resumes, right? What if a simple online showcase could change that? In the next, you will learn why portfolios matter and how to build one completely free. Hey everyone, I am Diwakar Yadav, a 20 years old CS student and content creator. Today video is split into 4 parts. 1. Why portfolios are essential. Number 2. Why they are actually work. And number 3. How to build yours. And number 4. Top free platforms to host it, right? Let's go. Resumes list skills, right? But portfolio shows them in action. In competitive job or internship searches, a portfolio is your secret weapon. When I applied my first UI UX internship, I had zero experience in that, but a 2 project portfolio that hiring manager called me within 24 hours. First, portfolios build trust, right? Hiring managers see real work. Second, they provide proof. They are not just clients on your paper, right? Third, portfolios let you tell your story, your creativity, your approach behind that. I landed a freelance gig because my one-page project on redesigning a cave website spoke louder than 5 years of bullet point resumes. Pick any one area which you are interested, like for example UI design or writing or data analysis. For example, I choose mobile app mockups for designing my portfolio, design practice projects or write fake articles. I built a mock meditation app in Figma with write a mini case study like from goal to process and results. Show your thinking and show your process how you build that project. Use simple and clean layouts. Consistency is the key, right? Now here are the top 3 platforms which you can host your portfolios. You don't need to pay hosting. Here are the top picks. Number 1, Notion. Just duplicate a portfolio template in Notion and swap in your projects. And number 2, GitHub Pages. Focus static site repo and edit in your VS Code and push it. And number 3, Behance. It is for designers. How to start, like create a portfolio and upload your images with captions. And you can also add your case studies also in that. Google Sites. Pick a site theme, drag and drop your screenshots. And card.co. Use free plan to build a single page portfolio in minutes. These are the top free platforms you can host your portfolio. We covered why portfolios matter and why they work, right? And how to build yours and the free platforms to host it, right? Now it's your turn. Pick any one platform, build your first sample project today and share the link in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one. Thank you.